Day by day, we have choices in how we see the world. We can see life as a series of problems that need solving. I mean, what will you eat next? The house is in a mess. You're arguing with your partner more and more lately. Yes, these may seem like problems, but really, you should see them as opportunities. These are opportunities to grow, to develop new skills, to be more resilient than ever. You can also decide to see life as an adventure, a series of events that are free for you to manipulate in a way that you want. The world is your oyster and life is the ocean that contains it. Hi everyone, I'm Lori, your positivity princess. I'm here spreading love and positivity with this daily dose of positivity. I really hope you love it. If you try your best to live in a positive way, click that like button. If you're wearing pants, click the like button. Okay, today's daily dose of positivity is about problem solving. I want to share with you guys my favorite problem solving method. It's called the ideal problem solving method. There's a reason it's called that. Anything that's important enough to remember has a memory technique. The word ideal is an acronym for the steps that you will take in order to solve any problem that you face. Some problems are simple with limited consequences, it's true, and others are big with large potential consequences where you can affect other people as well. You can still use this method either way, regardless. Okay, the letters in ideal stand for I is identify the problem, D is define the desired outcome, E is evaluate potential solutions, research, ask around, read, brainstorm. A is where you act and you actually take action, and L is where you learn and you consider what you learned from what you did and how you will do things differently or the same next time. That's what life is. It's a big learning experience. If you follow these steps for any problem or decision that you have to make, you will find yourself less frustrated and way more focused. I want to bring to your attention a quote by Napoleon Hill. He's the author of Think and Grow Rich. He said, "People who fail to accumulate money without exception have the habit of reaching decisions, if at all, very slowly, and of changing these decisions quickly and often." I want you to think about that. What he's communicating is the idea that we must use our instincts to some degree while making a decision or solving a problem, and then stick to our guns, believe in our choices and solutions, and then stick to them, stand by them. Persistence is a key element here as well. I did make a short video about the ideal problem solving method with some examples, so you can see it by clicking on the link below. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something from it. Comment below your favorite problem solving method that you follow. Also, tell me in the comments a problem that you have in your life that needs solving. We can all work together to suggest some possible solutions. If you like what you heard, do yourself and me a gigantic favor and click that like button and subscribe. That little bell button will also ensure that you do not miss the next daily dose of positivity. And we all need a little bit of positivity every single day. Thanks for watching. I love you all so much. Have a blessed and beautiful day, and be positive. Mwah. Have you ever considered bringing your manifestation game to the next level? Are you ready to find out what your subconscious blocks are and then squash them for good? Coaching can have profound effects on your success levels. Hello, my positive peeps. It's me, Lori, your positivity princess. I'm here spreading love and positivity and inspiration. I'm a personal life coach as well as a manifestation coach. I want to give away 3 free sessions to 3 viewers. All you have to do to qualify is 3 simple things. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, like every video that I publish this week. And 3, leave a comment on every video that I do this week. So each session is 45 minutes and they are results oriented. The winners will be announced on Monday, November 30th at 9 a.m. Start now by liking this video. Put a smile on the face of a princess.